అనమాట అండి.
మ్యామ్ మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
Okay, so all of you can see the screen. Okay, now
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
here
Yes, ma'am.
we are
Yes,
using
ma'am.
the direction, you know. So from that,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is the x value? What is the x value from that? A. Yes. Next one is y value is equal to, that will be
B.
minus b or plus b.
Minus B.
That is minus b beta. Okay, because in the question we have a minus b minus c, no, so that is minus b. Okay, so next one is z
Minus C.
value.
Minus C.
Minus c. Okay, x value a, y value minus b, z value minus c. So by using that eighth identity, we have the formula. Answer will be x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z into x square
మంచిగా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చెక్ చేసుకోమా.
plus y square
Y square
Plus
minus
Z
Z square
plus Z square
plus
plus Z square, ma'am.
z square
Minus
minus
XY
minus
XY
xy minus
plus
yz.
YZ
minus Z.
So then it is equal to x cube
plus Y cube
Plus Z cube.
cube minus 3XYZ
y cube
plus Z cube
Plus Z cube.
z cube
minus
next
3X
Minus 3XY.
XYZ.
minus
3XYZ.
3xyz. Okay, just I will take here. I am writing it down. Okay. So this is the identity we are using here. Then substitute it. Okay. Substitute x values and y values and z value in this equation. Okay. So where you have to substitute which type of the form he has given. This form is given in the question. Yes. ఈ రూపంలో ఇచ్చారు మనకి సమీకరణాన్ని. Okay. So we need to write that equation in the form of this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay. So ఇలా ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయకుండా మనం ఇందులో రాయాలి. Okay. So please substitute it. We will get the answer as x cube, nothing but we will get as a cube
plus
a cube.
minus
B
B cube
cube.
Okay, so that is minus b cube. Suppose if you are multiplying minus by the 3 times, you will get minus only, no? So minus into minus plus, again plus into minus minus. So that's why you will get the answer as minus
B cube.
b cube.
And
Again,
minus C cube. Minus C cube.
minus
Minus 3ABC. Minus
okay, minus okay
3ABC.
into
3ABC.
but here minus here, no, is we are getting plus 3 ABC or minus 3 ABC only.
minus 3 ABC.
Minus only, ma'am. 3.
Minus only. Because here minus B into minus C you will get as plus BC only, no?
SPC.
That's right. And A is,
Minus 3
is
ABC.
already it is positive. So minus 3ABC.
3 ABC.
Okay, Manjula,
Ma'am.
have you cleared your doubt?
Clear,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Clear,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is the solution for it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just you need to identify which type of identity and what are the values. Okay. So
Okay,
next one is, so all of you, any doubt regarding the second one? Factorize by using this identity. Here also, which type of form is given here?
P cube, A
A
cube,
cube.
cube
Yeah.
minus 125 R cube. That
So,
one, ma'am.
yeah, 27A cube plus B cube
Plus
plus 8C.
C cube minus 18 ABC.
Yes, Sevika from Dwaraka. So that is in the form of this equation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to factorize as like this. Okay. So
Okay,
shall
ma'am.
we do that? Shall we do that, or have you completed?
Once you say no, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, the second question, factorize
27A cube
Cube
27A cube,
plus
B
B cube
27A cube
plus B
plus B cube
plus
B cube
B cube
plus
plus
8C
C cube
plus 8C cube
plus
minus
8
18 AB.
minus 18
minus
minus
18
18 ABC.
Okay.
minus 18 ABC.
Okay. So this is in the form of this one. So is equal to, shall I write directly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will write the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
You will get the last solution is equal to is equal to here. What is the
3A.
value of x?
3A.
3A cube.
3A
3A.
Sultan, it is 3a cube or 3a?
3A cube, ma'am.
3a cube.
3A.
Only
3A.
3a. Only
Okay,
3a. Okay. X
Okay,
value, I'm asking only x value, not the x cube. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that is 3a. Next one is, what is the y value? Y is equal to
B.
B, ma'am.
b. What is the value of z? That is equal
2C.
2C.
C, ma'am.
to c. Yes, you write it. You can write the next step directly. So it is equal to
3A plus B.
3a plus
B.
B plus 2C.
2C.
plus
2C.
2c into
3A.
9 square
very good, Pujita. 9a square
9A
Plus
square
B
plus
square.
B square
9a square plus
plus B square
4c square
Plus 4C
plus
square
4C square
plus 4c square
minus
minus
3AB.
2A.
minus
3AB.
2AB.
3ab. 3ab or 2ab?
2AB.
Ma'am.
3AB. 3AB.
Is 3ab because x value is 3a, y value is also 3ab. Okay. So 3ab minus
Minus 2BC.
2BC. 2BC.
that is 2bc
Minus
minus z
CA.
value is Okay.
CA.
CA or here X value is 3A, no?
Yes, ma'am.
3A into 2C, no? That is 6AC. Okay, that is 6AC.
CA.
So this is the solution for it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This problem also I will do already.
Okay, I think you have did this problem. Do means
Yes.
now you are doing. Huh? Okay. So this is step-by-step process to factorize by using this 8 identity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So those who are completed the homework, you can check your answers here. So I have explained the page number 55. Do these problems here. These are the solutions. Okay. Next one is. So I have given the homework to you, exercise 2.5. Up to 5th bit I have given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
once before that, we will write that 8 identities. So then we can easily complete exercise 2.5 problems. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
so yesterday I have told you to write at least 8 identities in one paper to and paste on the wall. Okay. So definitely you have to remember. So please tell me.
X plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square.
So the first one is x plus y whole
Whole
square.
square.
Yourself, let me write this x square plus, just you observe.
మ్యామ్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
Plus 2ab.
2xy, ma'am.
Oh, here 2xy. We have taken x and y, no? So next one is x minus y whole square. Is equal to x square plus y square, but minus
X square minus 2xy plus y square.
we can write it one as x square plus y square minus 2xy also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So just change in the sign. Okay. So next one is next identity
X plus y
is,
whole x minus y.
so I am writing this one as like this. Okay, x square minus y square is equal to
X minus y whole square.
x square minus y square is equal to x plus y
X minus y.
into x minus y. Okay. So next identity is
X plus a
X
and
plus
x
a
plus
of
b.
x plus b.
x plus a into
X plus
x plus
b.
b
X plus b.
is equal to x
X
square
Square plus a plus b into
a plus b into x
square plus
a plus b
into
a
x
plus b into
a plus b into x
plus ab.
plus ab
plus ab plus ab.
plus ab. Okay, what next?
X plus y plus z whole
plus
square.
z whole square.
X plus
Y plus
y plus z
Whole square.
whole square is equal to
X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of xy plus yz plus zx.
okay. Please tell me x square
plus y
Square plus y square plus z square.
any one of you say. Okay.
X
Only one
square
of us.
Plus y
Otherwise, you
square.
mute yourself and just observe the screen.
y square
X square and y square
plus z square
plus z square
plus 2 of
plus
2
2
of
of
xy
y plus
xy plus yz plus zx.
plus
zx.
okay, next.
Ma'am, or else we can write 2xy, 2yz and 2zx
Yes,
also.
yes, you can. Yes, you can.
X
Next.
plus y whole cube is equals to
X cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y whole.
plus y whole cube
x cube
is equal to x cube
plus y cube
plus y cube
plus 3xy
plus
3xy
3xy into
X plus y.
x plus y. Next,
x minus
X
y
minus y whole cube.
x minus y whole cube. Just it is similar to x plus y whole cube only, no?
Yes, ma'am. We have to change the signs.
Just we need to change the sign. Okay, that's it. Here x minus y whole cube is equal to
x cube minus y cube minus 3xy of x minus y.
minus of x minus y. Yes, just a change
Yes,
of
ma'am.
sign. Okay, next, eighth identity.
X plus
X plus
y plus z
plus y plus z
Into
of
x square
x square
plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus x.
minus
Okay.
x square plus y square
Okay, please tell me x square plus
y square plus z square
plus
Minus
minus
xy
z square after
minus
minus xy
next
minus yz
minus
minus
minus xz
xz or zx is equal to
x
x
cube
cube plus y cube
plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz.
cube
minus plus y cube
cube plus
plus
y
z cube plus z cube minus 3xyz
minus
3xyz.
These are the 8 identities we have discussed in these previous classes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in exercise 2.5, okay, based on these identities, we have the problems. Okay. So sometimes in some problems, we can use one or two identities also. Okay, now.
Okay, ma'am.
So don't confuse there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here in exercise 2.5, first bit, I think you have completed this first bit
Completed, ma'am.
based on these identities only. Okay.
First four
So any
identities.
first. So any doubts regarding this first bit related to first bit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి ఫస్ట్ బిట్ లో
మ్యామ్
మనకి
ఫోర్త్ చెప్పండి మ్యామ్.
Fourth
ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ఫోర్త్ది.
అభ్యాసం 2.5 2.5 ఫోర్త్ వన్.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Okay. So shall I give the clue for it? You can do it.
X plus
ma'am.
X plus
So
Y whole
here
square.
we have
Just
so our question, it is in the form of 1 plus x into 1 plus x.
ma'am,
Yes.
by using first formula, ma'am.
Yes.
A plus B
Here,
whole square.
this 1 plus x and 1 plus x both are same. No, here power 1. You can write it as 1 plus x whole square.
Whole square.
Otherwise, x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So you can write this one as 1 plus x whole square or x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So now please write that identity and substitute the values. Instead of y value, we have 1. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
answer 1 plus x square plus 2x.
1 plus.
X square plus 2x.
Yes, that is the correct answer, Sultan. Okay. So when you are solving this problem, definitely you have to write the step-by-step process in your notebook. Okay. Any doubt? Saiteja Gaud.
No, Madi.
Okay. Just I am taking this one. Okay. So here I am substituting x square. You can take as x square or 1 square. Okay. So I am writing it is for better understanding. I will take it as x plus 1 whole square now. Okay. So it will be more easy to understand the problem. So next x square plus here 2x y square, it is 1 square. 1 square you can take it as 1. Some members are thinking that 1 square will be 2. Okay, don't think like that. That 1 square is 1 into 1. So plus 2 into x into y. 2 into x into y value is 1. So it is equal to x square
X square plus 1 plus 2x.
2x.
plus 1 plus
Plus
2 into x,
2x.
that is
2x.
so this is the solution for it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So when you are writing the identity in the solution, it will become practice to you. Okay, మీరు ఈ ఐడెంటిటీస్ ఈ సర్వ సమీకరణాలని మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేసేటప్పుడు రాస్తూ ఉంటే మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది, గుర్తుంటుంది. ఓకే, తొందరగా మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు ఏది అప్లై చేయొచ్చు దీనిపైన అని చెప్పేసి. ఓకేనా? సో ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు సెకండ్ బిట్?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Second bit, evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. Already from that we have discussed the third problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday we have discussed. Any doubts related to fifth question in that? That is in the form of decimal number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are got any doubt related to that?
మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి ఆ
No,
క్వశ్చన్.
ma'am.
ఎవరండి? అఖిల?
హా,
Okay, so then why are you not asking? So if you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, that is the fifth question from second bit, no? Okay, second bit, fifth one. Please, 30.5
Into 29.5.
into 29.5. Okay, just I will give the clue for it. You can do this problem. Okay, 30.5 I am writing as it is 30.5. Okay, just I am changing this 29.5 in the form of 30.5. How we can write that?
Plus 0.5. Plus 1.
Okay, if you are getting confusion related to 29.5, just you see here 30.5. Here I am writing it as 30 plus 0.5. Okay, so 30 plus 0.5. Here in the same way, how we can write this 29.5?
30 minus
30 minus
30 minus 0.5.
30 minus
0.5.
So now I think you will get one idea related to
ma'am.
this. Which type of identity it is?
A plus B into A minus B.
Minus B is equals to A
Apply
square
that
minus B
identity
minus
on
B
it.
square.
Apply that identity on it. Okay, so please substitute x value and y value. Already we have x value and y value, and just you take this one. That's it.
ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yeah, 899.75 answer.
Yes, that's right answer. Okay. So here x is equal to value is 30 and y value is equal to 0.5. Okay. So already this question we have written in the form of x plus y and x minus y. So just we are doing this process only as x square minus y square. So that is 30 square.
$19.
How much?
900.
900.
Ah, yes, 900.
Not 90.
900.
900.
Okay, 30 square. Square minus here this is 0.5.
0.5 square.
0.5 whole square.
Whole square.
Okay, 0.5 whole square. So next one is we have to simplify this answer.
900 minus 0.25.
Yes, 900
Minus
Minus
0.25.
100 minus
0.25.
25.
If you are subtracting this one, you will get the answer as
899.75.
809.75.
1975.
Don't read it as 75, that is 75.
75.
Okay, so because this is the decimal number we are getting. Okay, so please note it down.
585.
Okay, next. Shall we discuss? Swapna, are you written in your notebook? Okay, so shall we discuss the next bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
third
ma'am.
bit is factorize the following using appropriate identities. So I think from this also we have discussed one problem. This is the
Fourth
third
one,
problem
ma'am.
we have discussed. Third one I have given the clue. Fourth one we have discussed yesterday. So any doubts related to third bit?
No, ma'am.
Third one, ma'am.
Everything?
Third one.
Third one. Okay. So third bit, third question. Okay. Please tell me the question. 4x square minus y square by 20.
By 25.
By 25.
Square
Minus
By 12. Minus y square
minus y square by 25.
by 25.
So I am writing that directly in this form. Just a minute. Let me insert the equation as in the form of fraction. Y square okay, y square here 25. Okay, so next one is here these two are like squares, right? Here number 4 and in the denominator number 25. Just you think for the square numbers, 4 we can write as 2 square
2x.
Square.
and
2x whole
25
5 square.
Square.
5 square. Sevika from Dwarakanagar, any doubt related to this? Okay, so 4x square I am writing as 2x whole square
minus
Ma'am,
yes please.
by taking a third formula, x square minus y square.
Yes,
we can-
so in second bit fifth question also related to that only, but here in the reverse form. Yes,
yes
we
ma'am.
are writing in the form of our solution. Third bit, third one, we are writing the solution in the form of x plus y and x minus y. Yes.
Ma'am, answer will be 4x square minus y square by 25.
Sorry, Sultan, that is a wrong answer. You are saying. Okay.
X plus 3y
2x plus y by 5
So,
5.
of 2x
y
minus y by 5
by 5. Yes. So y by 5 whole square.
is equal to 2x plus y by 5 of
So
2x
when you
minus
are
y by
writing
5.
the solution, this is in the form of x square plus y square. The square plus y square.
X plus y of x minus y.
So here x value is 2x and y value is,
Y by 5.
what is the y value? Y
Y
by
by
5.
5 ma'am.
So
Y by 5.
yeah, shall I write the solution directly or x value, y value also we need to write?
Ma'am, directly you write.
Directly
Okay,
write.
let me
Directly
write.
write, ma'am.
Maybe some other members can copy easily. So x is equal to 2x, y
X
is
plus
equal
y
to
by
Y by 5.
Okay, y by 5. So so 2x plus
y by 5 of
y by 5 into
2x minus y by 5.
Y by 5.
2x
Minus
minus
y by 5.
y by 5. So this is the solution. Third bit, third question. Okay. So once you observe here, we are writing the factors for above question. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. Sometimes you will get the answer in the form of like this as maybe sometimes you will get the answer like this: 2a plus b whole square. Suppose if you are getting the question answer like this: 2a plus b whole square. Just this is the example I am saying to you. 2a plus b whole square. It means in the answer you can keep like this. Otherwise, you can split it as 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Okay? So don't confuse there. 2a plus b, this is whole square. The font size is very large. That's why you are getting like that. So 2a plus b whole square, when you are writing the factors, you can write it as 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Otherwise, 2a plus b whole square also, it's not a problem. Okay, na? So don't confuse for that type of factors. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So next, shall we discuss the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So third bit is also completed. I think doubts are cleared. Anyone? Do you have any doubt? Ask me now. ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మాతాజీ నాకు ఇది అర్థం కాలేదు చెప్పండి అని అడగండి. థర్డ్ బిట్ వరకు కంప్లీట్ అయిందండి. ఎవరైనా చేయకపోయినా అది కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. సో ఫోర్త్ బిట్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ఓకే, ఏం డౌట్స్ లేదా ఇప్పటి వరకు? థర్డ్ బిట్ వరకు ఎవరికి ఏం డౌట్ లేదు కదా?
No, ma'am.
ఓకే, సో ఫోర్త్ బిట్ expand each of the following using separable identities. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫోర్త్ బిట్ కింది వానిని తగిన సర్వ సమీకరణాలను ఉపయోగించి విస్తరించండి. ఓకే, భరత్, శరత్, ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ డౌట్. భరత్ అండ్ శరత్, ask your doubt. Yesterday also one of you are asked the doubt at the end of the session. I told you that to ask today.
Ma'am, his name is Karthik.
Karthik, have you present today? If Karthik is present, please ask your doubt. Okay, so till now we will discuss fourth bit. Expand this question by suitable identities. Yes, please, Sidhu. Okay, so please tell me how we can expand these polynomials. First question related to which identity?
Sixth identity, ma'am.
A plus B plus
Sixth
C.
identity. A plus
Yes,
B
ma'am.
plus
B
C
plus C
whole
whole
square
square.
or otherwise x plus y plus z whole square.
Whole square.
So can you expand that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just you take what is the x value and y
Y
value
value.
will become 2y and z value will become
4z.
4z. Substitute in that identity and expand it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is ikkada
Ma'am, will you
చూసారు కదా
explain
ma?
third problem?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Laya, you are absent for yesterday's class, right?
Yes, ma'am. I listen my
Okay.
school classes.
Okay. So no problem. So shall we discuss the fourth bit, third question?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes. Sultan.
by taking x as a minus 2a, y as
5B.
z as minus 3c.
Yes, that's it. Then we can expand it.
Yes, ma'am.
2a plus 5b
Minus 3C whole square.
5b minus 3c whole square. Whole square. Okay. So first of all, in the solution, we need to write what is the identity we are using. Okay.
X plus y
X,
plus
y
z
plus z
whole square
whole square.
is equal to
X square plus y
x
square
plus y square plus z square
square
plus 2
plus 2x
xy plus yz
Two.
plus
Plus YZ plus ZX.
Yeah, can you see the font size is changing? Yeah, okay. So in the solution, so x plus y plus z whole square. This fifth identity we are using, right? Just
Yes, ma'am.
substitute the x value, y value, z value in that identity. మీరు ఈ సర్వ సమీకరణాలను ఒక దగ్గర రాసుకుంటే మీకు ఇట్లా తొందరగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు, రాసుకోవచ్చు అండి. ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here x value will be x is equal to minus
Minus
2a.
Minus
Minus
2a.
A.
Okay. Next y value is equal to
Minus 5B.
5b.
5b. Next z value
Z
is equal
value
to
is equal to
minus 3c.
3C.
3c. Okay. Yeah. So please substitute in. It is in the form of this x plus y plus z whole square. Now we are expanding that answer. So shall we write
Minus.
directly
Yes,
or
ma'am.
after substitution?
Directly, ma'am.
Okay, let me substitute some other
Minus
numbers. We'll
2a
come
whole
to
square
minus
I
2a
did
whole
it, ma'am.
square. Okay,
plus
that's fine. Good.
Plus 5b square.
Just let me change the font size. Okay, so 2a whole square. Why it is not showing?
Yes, ma'am, I substituted.
Okay, is equal to. So those who are know how to substitute, then you can write. Ma. So minus 2a
whole square
whole square
plus
minus 2a whole square plus
5b
5B whole square.
5b whole square
plus
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 minus 3C whole square.
after plus only. Okay. Plus
Minus 3C whole square.
3c whole square
Plus
Plus 2 of minus
minus 2a.
2A.
plus 2 into or 2 half. Please tell me.
Minus 2A.
Minus
2a
2A
minus 2a.
into 5b.
into 5B.
I am writing directly because that is a positive number only. No? Okay. Into
Plus
5.
plus 5b
Into or plus plus
Plus
5b
plus 5b plus
into minus 3C
into minus 3c
minus 3c
plus
plus
minus 3C
minus 3c
minus 3c
into minus
into minus
2a.
2A.
into minus
2A.
Okay. Minus 2a. Okay. Okay. So now we have to simplify this answer. Okay, is equal to minus 2a square.
4a square
4a square
25b square
25B square
4a square
plus
plus
25b square
25b
5b
square
square
plus 9C square
9c square plus 9c square
plus 9c square
minus 20AB
okay minus
20AB.
oh you are saying direct answer. I'll write minus 20 AB
Yes, teacher.
minus 20 AB. I am
Minus
multiplying
30 minus
2 also
15
inside.
BC
Okay. 15 or 30?
Minus
30,
30
ma'am.
BC.
30, ma'am.
Minus 30 BC. Why? Because here 5 3s are 15. Again, outside we have multiplication with 2. So that's why 15 2s are 30. That's why we are written as 30 BC. Next one is
Plus 12 CA.
Yes. 12 AC.
that is plus only because this is minus 3C minus 2A. 3 2s are 6. And that too minus 3C minus 2A. So it will becomes plus
Plus 12.
6CA
12 AC.
and into 2. So that is 12
AC.
CA or
CA.
CA or AC. Okay. So you will get these variables alternately. You can get that idea. A, B, B, C, C, A. Okay. This is the solution for our fourth bit third question.
Third
So
question.
this is called expand by using identity. Just you need to identify what are the identities we have to use. That's it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubts up to
No,
now?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
So, Sai Rutvika, any doubt, ma'am? Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me now. I will give 5 minutes time for you.
Ma'am, fourth one. Fourth bit, fourth one.
Fourth bit, fourth one. So once
Fourth
pages
one.
will be at right? So here also I will give the clue for you. Here a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole power square is there, no? So which identity we use? We have to use the same identity. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
x plus y plus z whole square. But x value will be a by 4, y value will be minus b by 2, and z value is 1. Okay. Then after substitute in this.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Then after,
Mm.
see, when you are writing the complete answer solution up to the end, so here in denominator we have 4 and 2, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this question, you need to take the LCM of that numbers also. Okay, when you are doing that process, you will get that idea.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so finally you will get the answer like this, ma. So those who want to do, just please note it down. I am saying that answer. A square plus 4b square plus 16 minus 4ab minus 16b plus 8a. You will get that answer.
Ma'am, repeat again.
Okay. A square plus 4b square plus 16 minus 4ab minus 16b
Minus 16.
plus 8a. B. Only B. Because here the C value is 1. Okay. Last one plus 8a. I am repeating once again. A square plus 4b square plus 16 minus 4ab minus 16b plus 8a. Okay. You will get that answer. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So here, once you observe the fourth bit, he has given the question in the form of factors. Yes. Then he is saying to expand that factors by using identities. So next, coming to the fifth bit, he has given expanded form. He is saying to do that
Factorize.
that expanded
Factorize.
form. Okay. So you need to think which type of identity means either LHS side or RHS side he has given. Okay, factorize or expand. We have to check that one to understand the question. Okay, first మీరు ఏం చేయాలో తెలిస్తేనే మీరు ఈ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా చేయగలుగుతారు. ఓకేనా? Okay. So fifth bit as completed. Are you completed the fifth bit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, I will give the clue for you to complete.
Ma'am, this is the
Yes,
formula of x plus y plus z whole square only, ma'am.
yes, that's it. That is
Both
the
are in that form only.
yes, it is reverse process of fourth bit only. Okay, so just from this given equation మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణాలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, సార్ తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు చూడండి, కారణాంకాలుగా విభజించండి అని ఇచ్చారు ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్ లో. అందులో మనకి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి, వై వాల్యూ ఏంటి, జెడ్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి అని చెప్పేసి మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకొని అది తీసుకొని దానికి ఫ్యాక్టర్ రూపంలో రాయాలి. ఒక్కసారి స్క్రీన్ పైన చూడండి అందరూ. ఈ ఫోర్త్ బిట్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. మనకి ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్ లో ఈ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చారండి, ఈ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చారు, నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను చూసారా. సో ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఇచ్చారు. మనం ఈ రివర్స్ ప్రాసెస్ లో తీసుకొని ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ, వై వాల్యూ, జెడ్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చారు చూసారా, ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఫామ్ లో మనం సొల్యూషన్ రాయాలి ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్ దానికి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే
ఓకే, చేస్తారనుకుంటున్నాను. అందరూ చేస్తారా?
చేస్తాం.
చేయని వాళ్ళు ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్ వరకు
Yes,
కూడా
ma'am.
కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఓకే
మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. సో సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్ కి నేను క్లూ ఇస్తాను. ఈ సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఒక్కసారి ట్రై చేయండి అందరూ. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ టుడేస్ హోంవర్క్ మా. ఓకే, సో హోంవర్క్, today's homework is exercise 2.5 fifth bit. Okay, fifth bit, and I will give the sixth question also. Can you do it, ma?
We will try, ma'am.
Okay, definitely you can
Try చేస్తాం,
So
ma'am.
here once you observe, if a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, find a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so here very easy question. So once you go through this identities, okay, where these all are presented, a plus b plus c is given in the question, but here in identities we are taken as x and y and z, no? So that is in the form of fifth identity. Once you observe it carefully, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
Yes, ma'am.
In the question we are getting some a plus b plus c, it means x plus y plus z value is given. Okay, so substitute that value here, x plus y plus z. In the place of that you substitute 9 value, it means it will become 9 square. He is asking that find the value of x square, y square, z square. It's nothing but a square, b square and c square, no? So it will be as it is plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca value also given. So substitute in this identity and find out by transposing x square, y square and z square. Okay, మీరు ఇందులో XYZ ప్లేస్ లో ABC అని ఇచ్చారు క్వశ్చన్ లో, మీరు ఏం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు. ABC వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు కదా, సో ABC వాల్యూ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ABC వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, అది 9 అవుతుంది. a స్క్వేర్, b స్క్వేర్, c స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ అది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. 2 ఇంటూ ఈ వాల్యూ కూడా ఇచ్చారు, ఎంత? 26 ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే, సో 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ గానీ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయండి, దాని నుంచి మీరు సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేయండి అమ్మా ఈరోజు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, సో నాకు తెలిసి సెవెంత్ బిట్ కూడా మేమే చేస్తాం అంటారు అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను.
Yes, ma'am.
ఎందుకంటే నిన్న మనం ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా మనం చేసినవి కదా. సో లాస్ట్ 6th 7th ఐడెంటిటీసే కదా అవి. 6th 7th ఐడెంటిటీస్ యూజ్ చేసి అందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి చేయండి 7th బిట్ కూడా. ఓకే,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Yes, ma'am.
ఫాస్ట్ గా ఉండాలి మీరు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు. ఓకే, స్లోగా ఇంకా టైం ఉందిలే అని చెప్పేసి అనుకోకుండా మీరు ఫాస్ట్ గా చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో 5th బిట్
Okay,
and
ma'am.
6th question, 7th bit I am giving as homework, today's homework. ఓకేనా?
Riddle, ma'am.
Don't forget.